I recently found myself in a battle with my furry friend's accidents on the carpet. After trying a bunch of products that just didn't cut it, I decided to dive deep and test some highly recommended cleaners. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. Here's what I found. Product number 1. Odorcide KOE Kennel Odor Eliminator. When it comes to tackling stubborn pet odors, Odorcide KOE caught my attention. This isn't just your average cleaner. It's what the pros use in veterinary clinics, which says a lot about its effectiveness. After delimbing it as instructed and applying it to some aged stains, I was amazed by how quickly it penetrated the carpet fibers. Unlike other products that just mask the smell temporarily, this one obliterated the odors at their source. I liked the fresh scent it left behind, which felt like a breath of fresh air in my home. The best part? It's safe for kids and pets right after use, so I didn't have to worry about any harmful residues lingering around. However, keep in mind that it's a concentrated formula, so it requires a bit more effort to prepare, and it might not be the most budget-friendly option. But if you're serious about pet odor removal and want a product that truly delivers, this one is a solid choice for heavy-duty cleaning. In summary, if you're dealing with persistent odors, Odorcide KOE is worth the investment. You'll appreciate the professional-grade results that come with it. Product number 2. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner. I always thought portable cleaners were gimmicky until I got my hands on the Bissell Little Green. This little powerhouse is perfect for quick cleanups. The first time I used it, I was cleaning up a fresh mess in the living room. The process was so simple. I just sprayed, scrubbed, and suctioned. Its powerful triple-action formula lifted stains that I thought were permanent. Plus, the large 48-ounce tank meant I could clean more without constant refills. I found it particularly effective on upholstery and car interiors, which made it versatile for my household needs. One downside, it's slightly heavier than I anticipated, making it a bit cumbersome to maneuver in tight spaces, but that's a minor trade-off for the effectiveness it provides. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose cleaner that's trusted by millions, the Bissell Little Green is a great option. It's convenient, powerful, and gives you results that make you feel accomplished. I can't recommend it enough for pet owners. Product number 3. Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Cleaner. Stepping up from the previous model, the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe is another game changer. This cleaner not only offers powerful suction, but also comes with specialized tools that make tackling pet stains a breeze. I put it to the test on some tough stains, and it didn't disappoint. The Pet Spot and Stain formula, combined with the Tough Stain tool, worked wonders, lifting even the oldest stains from my carpet. The Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool is a thoughtful touch, making maintenance much easier. The design is portable and easy to handle, though I did find it a bit bulky when cleaning car interiors. The 48-ounce tank is a major plus, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. One downside is that it's a bit pricier than some other options, but the results justify the cost. If you're serious about keeping your home clean and odor-free, especially with pets in the mix, this cleaner is worth every penny. It's powerful, efficient, and will save you countless hours of scrubbing. Product number 4. Furry Freshness Extra Strength Stain and Odor Remover. If you're looking for a cleaner that's safe for both pets and kids, Furry Freshness is a fantastic choice. I appreciated that this product is non-toxic and free of artificial fragrances, which is a major plus for anyone sensitive to chemicals. The OxyVap formula is designed to not just mask, but eliminate odors and stains. I put it to the test on an old urine stain that I thought was beyond saving. To my surprise, it worked wonders. The stain lifted without any scrubbing, which is a huge time saver. It's also certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute, so you know it's effective and safe for your carpets. While it's great for multiple surfaces, I did notice that it requires a bit more time to let the formula work its magic compared to others that provide instant results. However, the peace of mind knowing it's safe for my pets makes it worth the wait. In short, if you want a cleaner that's tough on stains but gentle on your home, Furry Freshness is an excellent option. Product number 5. Bissell Woolite Advantage Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Finally, let's talk about the Bissell Woolite Advantage. This product is a staple in many households, and for good reason. The triple action cleaning system is incredibly effective at removing both stains and odors, which is crucial for any pet owner. I found it particularly beneficial for old stains that had been lingering. The ferro-block technology is interesting, as it discourages pets from re-soiling the same spot, which is a huge advantage in maintaining a clean home. It works on various surfaces, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. While it's not as powerful as some of the other options, it's effective for everyday messes and comes at a very reasonable price. The fresh floral scent it leaves behind is also a nice touch, making your home smell inviting. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable cleaner that gets the job done, the Bissell Woolite Advantage is a solid choice.